welcome to our channel. It's me, Nanay Pauline.
And it's me, Hetien.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Yes. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So we are going to unbox this one. Ayan. So, ayan guys, i-unbox ko po itong padala ni Russell Pagdilaw. So, from Ilocos pa po ito. And last time, nag-send po siya sa akin ng mga lip tints since hindi po ako mahilig maglagay ng mga makeup. And wala rin po kasi ako
And
ibang
look,
mga
I have
makeup.
a lenses.
Yes. Okay. Sige. Let's unbox ko muna.
So first and foremost guys, I'm not a makeup guru, but I'm going to have an honest review about this tint spo from Cell on Allow. Come on. So ito na guys, the first tint that we're going to use is the Summer. Let's try it po muna. And so let's apply it. And as you can see, medyo watery po siya at first. So please wait for a few minutes to dry it up. And so, pwede ninyo siyang smudge para mas makita ninyo kung maganda ba yung color sa lip ninyo. Pero for me guys, mas bagay siya sa whiter or fair skin po. Ayan, mas nakakaputi yung color niya. So that's it guys. This one is again, Summer. Summer po yung kanyang color. Yung name ng color ng shade. Ayan, so in fairness naman sa kanyang lagayan, maganda po siya guys. Ito, dito naman tayo sa red. Mas red po yung tone, which is glam. Sa mga mahilig po sa red color, you might like this one po. Ayan. So pag fairing yung skin, it's either mas lighter po or brighter yung kanyang magiging effect sa lips. And so, sa mga mas dark po yung skin, so expect po na medyo mas dark din po yung kanyang pagkaka-red. Pero yung red po, based po sa iba, is bagay naman siya both morena and fair skin po. And depende rin sa ayos. Ayan. Now let's have our third tint. And we call this one Wildflower. Yun po yung name ng ating tint. And so kanina, if it's red, this one is a darker shade of red. So sa mga mahilig mag-party-party or mahilig mag-mix up ng color, yung kaninang lighter shade, we can also mix it with this darker shade po para mas balance yung color. Kasi humilig ako mag-mix-mix ng color. So, ayan. Ganyan po yung kanyang kakalabasan. So, pag mas maputita, mas bagay siya. Ayan. Pero hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya bagay sa mga morena kasi ako is hindi naman ako kaputian. So, depende talaga. By the way guys, I wore this one for almost 5 hours And if you want a long-lasting lip tints po, ito po kasing klase ng tint na to, once you drink water po or any drinks from time to time, so may possibilities or chances are nag-fade po yung tint. So don't expect too much. Kasi if you will look at the price din naman, it's super cheap and affordable talaga. So hindi ka natalo dun sa 200 pesos mo na tatlong tints agad. And iba-iba na yung shade na po pwede mo naman paghalu-haluin. And 5 ml na to, guys. So, arat na talaga. As in. Also, guys, it has a bubblegum scent po. So, expect po natin yung mga kids natin na mahilig mag-lip tint. Ayan. Ma-attract talaga sila sa smell nito kasi talagang para siyang bubblegum. And based po dun sa description niya, it is also safe for all ages, both pregnant and lactating moms. Let's have mixing of colors this time. So guys, you can also check their Shopee store, R&N Little Crochet. Ayan. So, iba-iba po yung products nila kasi from crochet, ayan, meron po silang mga lip tint and mga souvenirs po. Also, you can follow them on Instagram, R&N Little Crochet.